Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove Volvo C30 headlights. First, ensure your vehicle is parked safely and the engine is off. Begin by opening the hood to gain clear access to the headlight assemblies. Next, you will find a silver retaining pin, approximately 6 to 8 inches long, located directly behind each headlight unit. Carefully pull this pin straight up and out, setting it aside in a safe place. With the retaining pin removed, the headlight unit is now held by 2 locating pins. Gently rock the headlight assembly back and forth, applying slight outward pressure to release these pins. Once loose, carefully pull the headlight unit forward, then slightly to the side, away from the vehicle's body. This action will expose the electrical connector at the rear of the headlight. Now that the electrical connector is visible, locate the small tab on its top. Press this tab down firmly while gently wiggling and pulling the connector straight off the headlight assembly. This will completely disconnect the power. With the electrical harness detached, you can now carefully lift and remove the entire headlight unit from its housing in the vehicle. Place it on a soft, clean surface to prevent damage. To reinstall your headlight, simply reverse these steps. First, reconnect the electrical harness, ensuring it clicks securely. Then, align the headlight unit with its 2 locating pins and gently push it back into place. Reinsert the long silver retaining pin to secure the assembly. Finally, before closing your hood, turn on your vehicle and test both the low and high beam headlights, along with the turn signals, to confirm everything is working correctly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.